Kids, myself Mrs. Netra Kale, your maths teacher from Wilkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 4. Now students, today we will continue our lesson fractions. Yesterday in our previous video we have learned fractions, quarter, half and 3/4. Okay, today we learn mixed fractions. So what is mixed fraction? Here an example, students, look. If 3 guavas have to be shared equally between 2 people, we can do this in 2 ways. Okay, what we have to do? 3 guavas have to be shared equally between 2 people. So either we can cut all 3 apples, okay, and give one part to him and another part to number 2 boy. Okay, so this guava distributed equally. Okay, this part for boy number 1, this is for number 2. Okay, again this is second guava, this part for number 1, this part for number 2. Again for third guava, this part for number 1 and this part for number 2. It means everyone will get half. This 3 part to 1, 3 part to number 2. Okay, it means everyone will get half plus half, right? It means how many everyone get? 3 upon 2. Okay, everyone will get 3 parts of 2 guavas, right? Or there is another way that we can give, there are 2 guavas, right? There are 3 guavas. Okay, so there is another way we can give, and 2 people, 3 guavas and 2 people. So what we can do, we can give 1 guava to this first people and second guava to this another people. Okay, 1 guava to 1 and second guava to second people. Now 1 guava is still remained. Okay, then what we can do, we can cut it between 2 parts, right? It means we can do it half, and we will give half part to first person and another half part to second person. It means what? We are giving 1 and a half to one person and second and a half to another person. Understanding, students? So each person will get 1 whole and half guava. Okay, another person will get 1 whole and half guava. It means 1 plus half. It means 1 plus half. This is 1 guava means whole guava, and this half means this half. So it can be written as 1 and half. So while this type of fraction you see, this is called a mixed fraction. Hope you are understanding, student. A fraction like this, a whole number and a fraction, is called a mixed fraction. Understood, students? Just like that, we will see now 1 and quarter, 2 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter. It means what? Again 1 whole and a quarter part. It means 1 quarter. So how it read? 1 and quarter. Okay, 1 whole and quarter. If there are 2 wholes like this and a quarter part, so it will be write as 2 and a quarter. Similarly, if we have 3 whole and a quarter, then it will be write as this is half, no, quarter. 3 and a quarter. Understood? So 1 whole and 1 quarter makes 1 plus quarter. This is written in short as 1/4, and it read as 1 and a quarter. Okay, if 3 wholes and 1 quarter makes 3 plus quarter, this is written in short as 3/4 and read as 3 and a quarter. Understood, students? In the same way, 2 and a quarter, as I shown you here, is read as 2 and a quarter, and 4 in quarter is read as 4 and a quarter. Understood? Similarly, 1 and a half, 2 and a half, 3 and a half. Similar. Now this is not a quarter part, this is a half part of the whole. So it will be write as 1 and a half. Right? 1 and a half. So in short, it will write as 1 and a half. Okay. Now 2 and a half, 2 and a half. Understood? Similarly, 3 and a half, 4 and a half. Okay. Now 1 and 3 quarters, 2 and 3 quarters, 3 and 3 quarters. Now 3 quarters. This is the 3/4 part, right? 1 quarter missing here, so this is 3/4 part. So it will be written here also 1 whole and 3/4. So it will be written like 1 and 3/4, 2 and 3/4, like this. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now this is exercise for you. Just do it in your notebook. Okay. Read the following fractions and write them in words. Like this is 2, 3/4. So 2 and 3/4. 2 and 3/4. 3 and a quarter. 11 and a half. 5 and 3/4. 9 and a half. 8 and a half. Now read each of the following and write the fraction. So 4 and 3/4. So how we will write it? 4 and 3/4. So 4 3/4. Understood? Just like that, do the following. Now comparing fraction. Now look in the picture, each of the strip of equal length. Okay, each of the strip have equal length and some part are shaded. Okay, so we have to write the fraction here. So look at the first part, look at the first strip. Now here how many parts? 2 parts, means 1 strip, and 2 parts means half of the strip, right? So we can write here 1/2. Okay, 2 part out of 1 is shaded, so half. Now look at the next strip. Here how many parts? 1, 2, 3. 1 strip is equally divided into 3 parts. So and 1 part is shaded. So 3 parts out of 1 is shaded. Now look at the third strip. Now 1 strip is divided into equally 4 parts, means quarter part. So out of 4 parts, 1 quarter part is shaded. Out of 5 part, 1 part is shaded. Out of 6 part, 1 part is shaded. Here what you see, when the denominator of the fractions, when numerator is 1, keep increasing. Look here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means it's an increasing order, right? So when denominator keeps increasing, when its numerator 1 keeps 1, then the value of the fraction, what happened with the value of the fraction? The value of the fraction is decreases. It means when denominator keeps increasing, the value of the fraction means, look, the value of the fraction means, look at the shaded part. It is decreasing order. Understanding, students? So let's do it. This is what comparing fraction. Okay, now look, which is the smaller fraction? Which is the smaller fraction? Half or 1/3? Now you can see here, which is smaller? Half or 1/3? 1/3 is smaller. That I am telling you, when the denominator increases, the value of the fraction decreases. So which is smaller fraction? 1/3. Okay, which is the smaller fraction here? 1/5 or 1/6? Now you tell me. 1/6, because 1/6 is small than 1/5. Look. Understood? Which is the bigger fraction here? 1/3 or 1/5? Look, this is 1/3, this is 1/5. Which is bigger? Sorry, 1/3 and 1/5. Which is bigger? This is bigger. So this is bigger. Okay. Look, students, write greater than and less than. So this is 1/3 is greater than 1/3 is less than half. Okay, 1/3 is greater than 1/4. 1/5 is less than 1/3. Half is greater than 1/3. Student, do practice of it in your home. Okay. Now look, as the denominator of the fraction with numerator 1 keep increasing, what happens to the value of the fraction? The value of the fraction is decreasing always. Understood, students? So this is housework for you. Just do it in your notebook. Okay. Now next point is fractions related to sets. Now what is this? In our previous fraction video we have seen about single object. Okay, now we will see about sets. Sets means a combo. Look, now look, you can see here 4 candles. Okay, so we have to divide it between 2 sets. Look, these 2 of one set and these 2 of another set. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. It means these are 4 candles. So we know half of the 4. What is half of the 4? 2. How we can find half? By dividing 2. Okay, by dividing this number by 2. Okay, so we can find the half. So what will be the half? These 2 candles will be the half and these 2 candles will be the half of the 4. Okay, so 2 2. So what is given here? In the picture there is a set of 4 candles. It has been divided into 2 equal parts. So one part has been colored, that is half part will be colored. So half part means these 2 candles, right? So these 2 candles are colored. Now look at the next example. This is a set of marbles. How many marbles here? Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, divided into 4 equal parts. So one of the part is colored. Now this candle is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, means 1/4 part we have to be colored. So how we can find how much part we have to color? Now here you must find how 1/4. So just do here 1/4. And how many candles here? Total 8. So 1/4 multiply by 8. Just do it. Okay, now with the denominator just divide this number. Okay, 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8 and 2 ones are 2, right? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It means here 2, this 4 gone, 8 gone, right? Means 2 upon 1, 2 ones are, and we will multiply this 1 and 2 together. So 2 ones are 2 with denominator 1. Denominator 1 means not necessary to write. It's a number 2. Means how many part we have to color? Only 2 marbles. Understood, student? For the big number we can find like this method. Understood? Now look at this. How many marbles here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 marbles, and we have to divide it in between 3/4. 3/4 part should be not colored, sorry. Okay, then again if you don't know what is the 3/4 of the part, then let's find. So how will we find? 3/4 part we have to find of 12, right? So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, right? And 3 threes are, it means what we get? 3, this 3 multiply this 3. Okay, so 3 threes are what? 9. So 9 marbles we will color. Understood? 9 marbles means 3/4 part of 12. Hope you are understanding, students. Look, this is the exercise for you. Okay, now half part, we have to circle half part. So how will you find? You can easily tell what is the half of 2? 1. So we can circle 1 part. Now 2/3. of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the 6 parts, 2/3. So let's find here 2/3 multiply by 6. 6 ones are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So 2 multiply 2. 2 twos are 4. So 2/3 means 4 leaves of this part. Understood? Understood, student? Just do the following. Student, your fractions lesson is over here. Happy learning, students. Do practice of it in your home. Thank you.